So hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and this is Federal Bank's Scapia credit card. This card has made some bold claims about zero forex charges, unlimited lounge access, even something called as airport privileges, which they post whenever you find a post about them. But let me tell you, this card has something to offer which other cards don't. And that is, you can see it in my post over there in Twitter. This card was able to give me one Apple Watch for referring 5 people, which, last month there was an offer, and this is the Apple Watch which I'm wearing right now. You can see it's working, it's not a fake. The card is right now running on referral offers, and the present one is, if you refer 5 people, you will get 1.5 lakh Scapia coins worth rupees 30,000. What does that mean? Like, you just need to get this card. It is being issued left, right and center. I'll put a link in the description. And if you are amongst the 5 who use my official link, you will get 6 months worth of YouTube membership for my other channel, which you can see later in the video. Plus you get access to 6 months of WhatsApp access as well. So that's a limited time offer for the first 5 person who uses that link. Otherwise, very specifically, the referral offers on this card are just fire. And let me tell you one thing, they are not, they're not playing around, they're not fooling around. They have the backing, and this card, they want to be a serious player, so they have tied up with Federal Bank. Now, Federal Bank had an issue where if you have one primary card, they were not allowing other users, like other secondary or tertiary cards from the same bank, which restriction have been lifted as of now. And let's talk about the basic of this card. What this card will give you if you are not into referrals or anything else. So the base reward rate on this card is 2%. But everywhere you will say you will get 10% reward points. So basically, the value of one reward points, one Scapia coin is 20 paisa. That means when you have 5 Scapia coins, the value is only 1 rupees. So the referral offer, which is right now going on, like 1.5 lakh, the actual value is only 30,000 rupees. And that too, you have to, convert it into a travel booking or something. Then only you will be able to use the Scapia coin. So that is the reality of things. It gives you accelerated rewards as well. That means, like, when you book your travel through the Scapia app, you get 20% reward coin returns. That means you get 20 Scapia coins for spending 100 rupees when you book travel related tickets over there. But the problem is the return value is only 4%. So all in all, the base reward and the accelerated reward is not that great. However, this can be a primary card for those who are looking to get a card for their UPI spends, plus who wants to get these extra benefits. This watch, this costs around 23,000 right now. And I am not sure like any card has given me 23,000 worth of value for referring this much. That has been brilliant from their side. So the present offer, you refer 5 of your friends. I told you the trick as well. Like, you just need to get hold of 5 of your colleagues and ask them to apply this card using your link, and you will be able to complete 5. And even if you don't, and you are the one who used my link to get this card, I'll help you out. I can post, I have done this before as well. I have reposted a lot of people's links, shared it on Twitter and YouTube. So you can do that as well. Plus you get access to the WhatsApp group, which is there. So that is all one thing. So let's talk about the other things. But before that, we are at 31,700 subscribers on our English channel. And the new videos, which are doing pretty good, they are all on in front of your screen. You can just go watch those videos, get some knowledge, and just start with your credit card game. Plus the Hindi channel, which is the Professor Cardz channel, it has more than 8,760 subscribers, and we are very much nearing 9,000 subscribers on that. So the latest video is about the Canara Bank's premium account, which I just opened, and it was fire. Like, everyone loved it, and there were a lot of questions answered over there. So go and check that out. Plus The member only videos are live on that channel, so you can go and get access to the WhatsApp group plus 15 minutes of chat with me for rupees 199 only. You should definitely consider. But if you apply for the Scapia card with my link, you will get 6 months of YouTube access to the private videos to the WhatsApp group without any cost, just for applying through the referral card. And then you can again refer your and get value worth around 30,000. So what about the other things? So it's a lifetime free card. That is a very basic thing. It's a lifetime free card. There is no fees associated until unless you you don't pay your bills on time or anything else. Apart from that, it gives a lot of benefits. Specifically, as you can see over here, it gives you a fuel surcharge waiver if you are doing utility transactions. So till you are doing more than 50,000, it's there is no extra charges. But if you do it more than 50,000, then there will be a charge of 1% plus applicable GST. For rent and wallet load, it will be a convenience charge will be charged for 1% plus GST. That's 1.18 per 100 rupees. And apart from that, you can do some EMI options, which I'll not recommend. It totally depends on you whether you want to go and interest you or not. Then apart from that, if we see the key fact statement, there is nothing more different. And if we see what the benefits are of this card, first of all, this comes in two variants. So either you can get a physical Visa and physical RuPay card. If you get a physical Visa card, you can get a virtual RuPay card as well, and you can get a physical RuPay card and there's no virtual Visa card. So that these are the three combinations. Apart from that, if you spend 10,000 rupees on your Scapia card in a month, the next month you will get airport benefits. So there are 4 kinds of airport benefits which you can see. For 10,000 for the Visa card, 15,000 for the RuPay card. So if you are looking to get lounge access and your UPI spends are around 15-20,000, you can definitely consider this card, the RuPay variant, to link it to any of your account and then just scan and pay. So you will hit the 15,000 barrier and you'll get the airport privileges as well. So there are 4 airport privileges. First is unlimited lounge and Visa lounge access. That's domestic only. Second is you can get spa access. So spa access is generally I will consider spa over lounge any day, because that's like one of the best things you can go, and if you have time to check out the airport as well. The third option is if you go to the airport and there are particular shops over there on the app. So let's say you are in Shoppers Stop and that shop is there in their app. So you can just activate that, and the first swiping you do over there, you will get 1,000 rupees till 1,000 rupees return for the first transaction. So basically you can get up to 5,000 Scapia coins worth rupees 1,000 whenever you go to the airport and buy something. Or even the fourth privileges, if you want to eat something, you do that. There are most of the shops are there, the food outlets are there. So you have to just swipe it over there and you will get 5,000 Scapia coins worth rupees 1,000. So these are the 4 benefits. Apart from that, the special thing about this is the zero forex markup charges. So zero forex is basically whenever you go outside India and you spend using in a foreign currency, you will not incur any extra charges, which is generally 3.5 to 4%, including GST. For other cards, for this it is 0, and you will not earn any reward points as well. So these are the 2 things you have to consider if you are trying to use it outside. So what else? So basically, guys, if you are planning to use this card, so this is not a very fulfilling card, I must say, because in the base rewards are very less. It's only around 2%, and there are better cards. But if you your annual spends are 2 to 3 lakh and you want to have some kind of privileges plus the referral offers which are there, if you want to utilize them, my mother-in-law, she got an Apple Watch with this card for using her referrals with her colleagues. So that is the amount of thing. Apple Watch for her was absolutely awesome. And so these kind of referral offers, they keep throwing it out in the open. So you should not be in a position where you want something and you don't have that card and you can't refer anyone. So that is the first thing for you to have this card. That is a baseline. Second, for normal spends, I'll not recommend you, but let's say you have a trip planned in the next month, let's say in the month of September. So it will be very wise for you if you spend 10,000 rupees on this card or 15,000 rupees on the Rupee card, and you simply just are ready for the next month. You go to the airport for 2 to 3 times, let's say, and every time you shop for 1,000 rupees, you get the Scapia coins worth rupees 1,000. So and there is no restrictions on that. So if you visit 30 airports in 30 days, you can get 30,000 rupees worth of shopping from over there. You just swipe for 1,000 rupees, you get the shopping done, and you will have at the end of the day 30,000 rupees worth of Scapia coins. So that is approximately 1.5 lakh Scapia coins worth rupees 30,000. So that is why this card is actually one card which I recommend for everyone to have. Even people with existing federal card can apply for this card, and that is why I think you should definitely consider going through that. So the link is in the description. The first 5 people who will apply through that link will get access to my personal WhatsApp group as well, for a period of 6 months, which is worth around 1,000 rupees. Plus there is something called badges which is there in the app. You can get some extra coins using reaching those badges as well. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I must say this is one card which I don't shy away from recommending anyone who asks me to get any credit card, and for that the same reason I'm recommending you this card as well. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. See you and Jai Hind.